Hey there, fellow fitness enthusiasts! I've got some exciting news for you today. I just created the ultimate guide to help you achieve your fitness goals. This guide will cover everything you need to know about exercise, from starting your journey to achieving maximum results. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the importance of exercise. Not only does it help maintain a healthy weight, but it also improves your cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and bones, and can even boost your mood and energy levels. The key is to find an exercise routine that you enjoy and stick with it. Now, let's discuss some key tips. 1. Set realistic goals. Start by identifying what you want to achieve and break it down into smaller, manageable steps. 2. Choose an exercise routine. Find an activity that you enjoy and are likely to stick with, such as running, swimming, weightlifting, or yoga. 3. Make it fun. Mix things up by trying new activities and finding a workout buddy to keep you motivated. 4. Track your progress. Keep a record of your workouts and dietary habits to help you see the changes you're making and stay accountable. 5. Stay hydrated and eat well. Make sure you're getting the right nutrients to fuel your workouts and help your body recover. 6. Listen to your body. Rest when you need to, and be patient with your progress. Adjust your routine as needed to prevent injury and burnout. 7. Stay consistent. Make exercise a regular part of your routine and stick to it even on days when you don't feel like it. And that's a wrap on our ultimate guide to exercise. Remember, the key to achieving your fitness goals is finding an activity that you enjoy, staying consistent, and being patient with your progress. Have fun and happy exercising!